Imagine winning a Lok Sabha election without actually doing anything about it. Surat BJP candidate Mukesh Dalal won the Lok Sabha election unopposed following a slight signature glitch in the papers of Congress candidate Nilesh Kumbhani. It even gets more interesting that because this was Mukesh Dalal's first Lok Sabha election in life. Namaste, you're watching Vibes of India and I'm Flory. Surat Lok Sabha seat is keenly contested parliamentary seat. There were 10 candidates in the fray. Main among them were Mukesh Dalal of BJP and Nilesh Kumbhani of the Congress. There were 8 other independent candidates. On Sunday evening, officers on duty pointed out that Congress candidate Nilesh Kumbhani had forgotten to put in his signature on the papers. Their backup candidate was Suraj Patshala. As if the gods were in favor of the BJP, even Suraj's nomination papers were incomplete. But Congress had no other option but to withdraw from the electoral fray. Sources confirmed to Vibes of India that the problem were in the signature of those who had proposed it. In Congress case, there were over 6 people who had confirmed the signature, but all of them got it wrong. Surat's returning officer Saurabh Parthi did draw the attention of Nilesh Kumbhani and his substitute, but then it was too late. Mukesh Dalal received the Member of Parliament certificate from the Surat District Collector on Monday after all other candidates withdrew from the fray. Among those who withdrew their nomination include Jayesh Bhai Mewada of Global Republican Party, Bharat Bhai Prajapati, Ajit Singh Bhupat Singh Ummat, Kishore Bhai Dayani and Baraya Ramesh Bhai Parshottam Bhai as independent. Pyarelal Bharti of Bahujan Samaj Party and Abdul Hamid Khan of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Party. Lastly, Sohail Sheikh of Lok Party. Mukesh Dalal was declared the winner as there was no one opposing his win. An uncontested election is when a candidate is declared the winner without a single vote being casted. Though Vibes of India could not confirm it, this is the first time a candidate has been declared unopposed in Gujarat based on how uncontested election works. The Election Commission handbook says that they have been duly elected immediately after the last hours for withdrawal of candidature. In that event, a poll is not necessary. Naturally, the BJP in Gujarat is over the moon. BJP State Party President C.R. Patil said that this is Gujarat's first gift to Modi ji. This lotus is a token of love and this trend will continue. Mukesh Dalal, who won yesterday, has been associated with the BJP since 1981. He is a textile trader and is the General Secretary of Surat BJP and has been a chairman of BJP Standing Committee. He also runs a few cooperative banks and is believed to be close to BJP State President C.R. Patil. What do you think about this? Comment down. Till then, keep watching Vibes of India.